Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some delicious vegetable fried rice. Now here I have all my ingredients. I'm going to put them on the screen. Now I'm going to add about quarter cup vegetable cooking oil, and I'm going to add my garlic and just stir for about a minute. This will enhance the flavor of the vegetable fried rice. Now I am going to add some ginger. Now add a little extra buzz to my fried rice. Just gonna stir in everything. Now I'm going to add my colored bell pepper and onions. I use a mixture of yellow, red and green bell peppers to give my fried rice some color and flavor. And I'm just gonna stir everything. Now I'm going to add some carrots, my canned mixed vegetable, and also some fresh string beans. And I'm just gonna stir in everything. Now I am going to add my eggs and scramble it in my pot because my pot is big enough. You can scramble your eggs in a separate pot if you wish. Now it's time for me to add my rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I had some rice left over from my meal yesterday, so I'm going to utilize it to make my delicious fried rice today. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon salt to enhance the flavor. You know that salt brings out the flavor in your food. And I'm also going to add my freshly cut scallion. Now I am going to also add some black pepper just to give it some more flavor. And I'm going to stir it for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add my last and final ingredient, which is my soy sauce. No, you can't have fried rice without your soy sauce, so yes, I'm going to add my soy sauce and just stir it everything together and allow my fried rice to develop the color. Yes, so this is my simple and easy, delicious vegetable fried rice recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay safe.